DPS TeleClass.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to DPS TeleClass. Today I am again here to take an interesting lesson. What do you think? What I am going to teach you today? What are all these for? Yes, today I am going to take an art lesson. So are you all ready for the lesson? Before starting the lesson, let's recite the dua.
قال رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي.
Students, so now I am going to share you the learning intention and success criteria of today's lesson. Our learning intention is today we are going to learn about different types of line and implied lines. And the success criteria for today's lesson is you will be successful in the lesson if you can identify different types of line and create implied name design to show movement and depth. Can you tell me what is line drawing? Line is one of the most fundamental elements of art, and line drawing is any image that consists of different straight or curved lines placed against a background without gradation in shade or color to represent two-dimensional or three-dimensional objects. Students, can you name this type of lines? What is the first one? Yes, you are right. The first line is a straight line, and here is a wavy line. Very good. And what is this? This is a curved line, and the next one, it's a zigzag line, and here is a dotted line, and the next one is a diagonal line. Very good. And here is the last one. Which type of line is this? A spiral line. Very good. Students, do you know what are implied lines? Implied lines are the lines that the mind creates by connecting a group of objects seen from a distance. Look at these pictures. Do you see implied lines? How is depth created in these pictures? In which direction do your eyes move when you look at these pictures? These pictures are drawn using implied lines. Students, do you know how implied lines are created? Implied lines can be created using values, colors, textures, and shapes that are arranged to guide the eyes in a particular direction. They are also used to create depth. Students, look at this picture. Can you tell me whether the circle is drawn or not? What do you think? Is it drawn? No. Actually, the shape of the circle has not been drawn, but the repeated lines used in the background make it appear so. So that is an impulse line. Here are some more examples of implied lines. In the first picture, it shows the letter S, and in the second picture, it shows the square, and third one, it shows something like triangle or maybe a rocket, but none of these shapes are being drawn. The letter S is also not being drawn, but the lines used in the background make that S or the square to appear like that.
Student, now it's your activity time. For today's activity, you will need an A4 paper, pencil, eraser, color pencil, colored pen. I'm going to show you how you can do this activity. You can follow with me. At first, you are going to write a name on this A4 paper using pencil. Remember to write very lightly in capital letters. I'm going to write I have written the name Suha. Remember to give space out of each letter. This is step 1. You have to write the name. You can choose your name or you can choose any one of your friend or family member. Any name you can choose. I have written Zuha. To show you how you can do the second step. In the second step, what you have to do is you have to bold these letters. Using pencil, you have to bold it. Now I have completed the second step also. In the second step, I have bold the name I have written. Then now we are going to move on with the third step. Are you ready? So now I am going to tell you how you can do the third step. In the third step, what we are going to do is you are going to make a line design in this background. You can use any type of line. You can use wavy line, straight line, or you can use curved line also. You have to make a design. You can use color pencil or colored pen. I am going to use colored pen to make the color design. And in this color design, I am going to use straight line. So I will be drawing all the lines using a ruler. You can use any type of line as you wish. You can use color pencil or colored pen. So now I have started drawing the lines. You should also draw the lines in this paper. You have to fill all this paper using different types of line. I am using straight line as I have told you before, and now I am drawing it. Like this, you have to continue doing this work. I have completed the third step also. I have completed making line designs. I have used blue, red, purple and black colored pen to draw the straight lines. I have drawn the straight lines vertically, horizontally and diagonally also. So now I have completed the third step. Now I am going to show you the last step. In the last step, what you have to do is using this eraser, you have to rub out all these pencil balls. Student, now the work has been completed. I hope you will be doing a line design like this and you will bring it to the class when you come next day. Hope you have understood how you have to complete the task.
Student, let me explain you the task once again. Your task is to create implied name design to show movement and depth. And the things you need are an A4 paper, colored pen, or you can use color pencil and eraser. These are the things that you will need for this activity, and you have to follow 4 steps to complete this activity. Step 1, what you have to do is, using a pencil you have to lightly write your name in capital letters. Remember to give space out the letters. And in step 2, what you have to do is, you have to lightly trace around the letters with your pencil to create block or bubble letters. In step 3, you have to create a line design to fill the page outside your name using colored pen or color pencil. You can use any type of line that you want. You can use straight lines, wavy lines, curly lines, and also you can use diagonal lines also. It's up to you. You can use any type of line to create the line design. And the final step is, you have to erase the pencil line of your name, then it will appear like this. I hope you have understood the task. I hope you will complete the task and bring it to the class when you come next day.
Student, now it's the time to conclude today's lesson. But before concluding the lesson, let's recall what we have learned today. We have learned about different types of line and we have created a line design, right? Look at this picture. In this picture, it has been drawn using different types of line. Can you identify the line, the types of line used in this picture? Which type of line is this? Is it a straight line? Yes, very good. It's a straight line. And this one, it is wavy line. In this part, it has been drawn using curved line. And what about this? Which type of line is this? This is spiral line. Very good. And this one is dotted line. Very good. So I hope you all have understood today's lesson, and I hope you will complete the task I have given to you and bring it to the class when you come next day. Goodbye.
DPS TeleClass